This battery isn't the same as the DMAX, so I'm going to show you which one to use instead, with a full step-by-step battery replacement as well as what to expect after installation. As in most cases, disconnect the negative terminal first and then the positive, but I'll add a link on the screen if you'd like to learn more on why we do this. To remove the brackets, you'll need to loosen 3 bolts. At 22 kilograms, this is certainly one of the heavier batteries, so summon all your gym gains to keep your back in a straight line. As for the new battery, the dimensions are quite specific to fit this bracket, so I'll provide some info on that a bit later. For now, make sure the battery is securely in position to install the bracket. Another thing to keep in mind when sourcing a battery is the orientation of the terminals, because you do get this size with a positive on the opposite side. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then connect the terminals in the reverse order, so start with the positive first and then the negative. Here's a little trick to maximize contact with the battery post. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. So in terms of size, a battery with these dimensions will fit the bracket and battery tray almost perfectly and should be in the 90 amp hour range. The cranking amps will differ between manufacturers, but the bigger the number, the easier it swings the engine. On startup, the engine light was on, but this should clear after a short drive as the ECU learns the parameters. Then to set the windows, press and hold the button past the second click and hold it down for another 3 seconds after the window is fully down. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.